Okay. Hi, my name is Min Lee. I'm the guy that's been saying Waymo is not gonna work since 2017. I'm gonna talk a bit about that today. But first of all, on the context side, we're training self-driving AI with dumb cars, and this is a kind of contextual demo. This is our product right here. So this is a $400 AI platform that installs in any cars. This is a demo of this product driving me from Seattle to San Francisco, just using a neural net, actually just like a basic squeeze net model trained with around 3,000 car fleet data, curation fleet, and using the ASIC inside the Copilot, the product's name, to run inference, command the car via CAN bus to actuate the wheel and the pedal, and works well. Went all the way. And it's the first installable mini, quote-unquote, mini Tesla full self-driving computer that installs anywhere. It enables real-world vision model testing and data curation with 1.4 billion cars already on the road today. It's running OpenPilot model right now from Comma AI. It's around 40 megabyte model, pretty tiny, but it's only using less than 10% inference power of the Copilot, as opposed to Comma 3, which is $1,500 and using about 80% load to run OpenPilot. It's capable of running a much larger model for like closer to Tesla for city driving, like visual transformer, and it's the only option on the planet to add ADAS, like collision warning, that actually works to cars that do not have it. This is kind of comparing just the model architecture. This is none of it from Tesla. It's visual transformer by FPN from other companies. But that red box that you see here, that is the OpenPilot equivalent model that's currently running the autonomy demo and ADAS in the Copilot. And to sell, we provide mass security, safety, and savings like 24/7 security with live break-in detection and live stream, but I'm not going to talk about that. Takes 5 minutes to install, 360 view around the car, so side and the rear for 360 coverage, and 20 trillion operations per second AI compute using ASIC. It is actually $400 and we make money. And as you all know, AI is data, and only edge AI hardware can test and curate data. Here are some examples of data that needs to be curated, like is this car a classifier for telling if the car is parked or stopped? Even for humans, it's pretty hard to tell. And Tesla's model made a mistake, which they fixed by curating the data with that awareness from the test, relabeling it, and now it's fine. And the same case for lane, like a regression model. So it's obviously had this data before to know this is a lane and you're supposed to drive on the shoulder, but it still makes a mistake in the beginning that driver reports, snapshots, and for retraining. And this is what the engine looks like. Again, you just tested in the model to figure out what data you need in the first place, because 99.9% of the data will be completely useless and overfit the model. And with that, you create the data, retrain, redeploy, infinite loop. What about other Waymo and other companies? So that was my research in college. I was advised by Professor Howard, who was working in navigation for the CMU team for the DARPA challenge. That became Waymo. It's only really for indoor cases, and that's the deployment today. And again, this is hard to explain before, but core of the Waymo is not AI. They use sprinkles of classifier net for detection, but the core of the AI in Waymo for decision making of their car is this. They draw a line. They draw a line in the HD map, and they've been drawing line for the past 20 years to turn it into a virtual tram. It's not going to work, and it's especially apparent now that Tesla's AI model, just using camera and neural network, very large model, already is better than Waymo in Phoenix and SF. That's been basically the two cities that have been HD mapping for the past 20 years. And it's not working. It's never going to work. It's not going to work. To catch up, they will need to delete their entire repo and essentially start from scratch with the basic path planning model that we're running now and add onto it for a larger model. And imagine drawing an HD map in this environment, like India. It cannot be done. And even in a more sterile driving condition, it doesn't work. And speaking of India, we need data from the undeveloped regions too. There's zero Tesla car in India because of the... Yeah, so I'll skip now, but if you would like to learn more on how we actually plan on selling the product, please feel free to shoot me an email. All right, thank you.
All right, so this is where we're ending the live stream. So for those of you tuning in from home, thank you so much for tuning in, and we're done with the live stream. Thanks for joining us. Question for folks. So go ahead and set up your computer.